Politricks watch. This is RP. I want to give you a little story. A true story of a sim who almost went home to glory. This brother, right, let me say true story, but I don't know when I call the name or nothing like that. Some more personal story. You know you have some man where them no use to get in females, especially attractive females. Then they go get one. Lose their mind completely. You know, get a little money and certain woman who normally wouldn't look on them, start look on them, turn fool. Man have diabetes. The Jamaican people say you have sugar. Man have diabetes, bad. Man start live certain lifestyle where people who have diabetes shouldn't live. Eat a bag of foolishness, drink one bag of liquor every minute and non-stop. Man and man start reach out to him. Yo, brother. Take time. Remember say, you have the diabetes bad. And the lifestyle where you all live, you have to speed up with it. The sick make this woman who, as I say, just a couple years ago wouldn't even look on him, but things are going now. Tell him say, in bridging them, I fight against him. In bridging them who, right, they run him for years. If he cool and say no, no shirt, right, one of them bridging them, they take off for them and give it to him. He make one tell him say, in bridging them, I fight against him. The man and him bridging them, stop link. Him continue to live the same lifestyle. Turns out say, the man end up lose a foot because of diabetes. Amputated. I never know such a diabetes serious. Right. I talk about years ago, Diabetes is so common in Jamaica. Him have sugar and she have sugar and him have, so people take it for granted. Diabetes is a dangerous illness, dangerous. But I never know so diabetes can make man lose their foot. Man end up losing foot due to the lifestyle he live, the diet he consume, certain habits. Shortly after losing him foot, he end up losing the woman. Man and man decides say even though he's a simp, we still remember say he used to be with little brethren, link up. Right. Man I say, if him did ever know, all along, man I whisper in him I tell him, oh, don't listen to them man, they might fight against you. I told them the things I go on for you, they want this, go on for you, they might try to stop you. And why am I telling you this story? Because a similar thing is happening to dancehall. Dancehall is in a rut. Right? And some little cling on, leech, who say the power and the influence the dancehall have, I think they can capitalize on it and it's a big fan base. If they can tap into it, there are certain perks, right? Whether it's even corporate companies realize this, politicians realize this. If you can just pull some of that audience and get them on your side, then things can go on for you. That's not love. The story me give, man and man, would I try reason the bridging? That's love. Right? People that say, yo, easy upon the lifestyle, brother, up. Food them you eat and drinking and it a mash up. That was the love. They don't listen to them. I'm on your side. They might try to stop you. They might try to fight against you. That wasn't love. That woman never loved the brethren. Let her go on with dancehall and many of his so-called fans and supporters. When you look on things like reggaeton, when you look on even like Afrobeats and everything, we talk about that later about. And by the way, every genre is influenced by somebody else, right? When we say dancehall influence Afrobeats or reggaeton or whatever, or hip-hop, that this is just how music works, right? But one of the genres them that really drive the fact home, say dancehall, is officially the ugly bridesmaid of the music industry is Afrobeats. I remember Afrobeats, right, when it just had come up, them just had try a thing. Right? The sound, there was no real specific sound to it, and they were like taking a bit over here and taking a bit over here, and they were like trying to. Afrobeats is shining like a diamond right now. I'm not talking about a one big artist who shine. The genre right across the board, they're doing very well. So, well done to the Afrobeats artists, them, big them up. But dancehall should be there or thereabouts. When time you say, oh come dancehall don't do like this genre and that genre, them say, well you have to remember say different people them, and them look different and them benefit from this and all them type of talk. Well, Afrobeats wipe that out completely. Here are some of the old excuses people used to make. Now the excuse used to hear is, well they need to look a certain way for boss. Go by. They need to look like Sean Paul. Does Burna Boy look like Sean Paul? And by the way, that was always unique on me because Shabba Ranks did bust and go global all long. Shabba Ranks won the Grammy back to back 2 years straight. Another excuse I used to come up with is fans can't afford albums. This is one of the biggest nonsense floating around. Some of them excuses were so terrible as I don't even know if it's say. Especially nowadays, what do you mean fans can't afford albums? That's strange because them afford things off of Amazon, Zara, Walmart. Them even buy high-end luxury goods. Ship into Ireland and then pay a tax to clear it. But they can't afford an album. They can't afford a single for 99 cents. Yeah, that's unique on meat. Instead of looking within the industry and say, alright, this right or so, you have to change that. It's just easier to say, oh, them bad man, them a fight against me. The fans them a say, don't listen to my artists, them a fight against you. That's like, oh man, what I'm telling about. Don't listen to your virgin them. Those two them things that go on for you, them a fight against you. Until foot drop off, that I reach dancehall right now. Good music is good music, and the world know when they hear good music. Notice when people talk about dancehall's golden era, you can tell where it come from. You see, the reality is, Afrobeats is now what dancehall was. When you listen to Afrobeats, you can tell it has an identity. Even though it is influenced by other genres, when you hear a song, you can instantly go, that is an Afrobeat song. You don't need to know the artist. You don't need to know, right, who produced it. You don't need to know, right, which song the country come from. But you know that is Afrobeats. It has an identity. Dancehall, on the other hand, has lost its identity. When you hear dancehall artists, or walk up and talk about pop, pills and Molly, you know they've lost their identity. That was never Ironman culture. That was degenerate Uncle Sam culture. When you hear Ironman artists start talk about that, you know they've truly lost their way. People want to hear distinctive Ironman sound, them want to feel good, them want to enjoy the music. Enough of the people them who only things say are the biggest thing in the world. The world don't care what they say. You'll be very surprised. Right? When you travel the world, you'll be very surprised which song, right, which dancehall song, which reggae song people love the most. You'll be very surprised. For example, Shaka Demus and PlLL have a song. Oh, this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. That song, Murder She Wrote, to this day, that is one of the biggest songs in the world. Not in Ironman, I don't even know if radio play them song there. In Ironman. But I tell you in the world, song like that, some song where you never imagine, some song where you see turn the place upside down when you travel the world in the Ironman, enough young people don't even know it. But instantly you can tell that is dancehall, that is reggae. Dancehall is the ugly bridesmaid that walks everybody down the aisle but never gets married. But maybe people are happy being bridesmaid, I don't know. Maybe this is a non-factor because it could be where people are just happy to be bridesmaid. And don't get me wrong, there are still talented dancehall artists, even from the current crop. There are some talented ones. Short-sighted, right? Sure. Lack vision, sure. But they're talented. Some of them are talented. You see, there's something we can call the vocal minority. This is when the small group of people are so loud that it appears that them are the majority, but it's really the minority, but then they're so loud. That is what catching up dancehall artists, and they pander to the vocal minority. That's why you see other genres, even if they take off in the Ironman, people want to go out, have a good time, safely, and come back in one piece. People want to have fun and listen to some fun music and laugh and man dancing at woman and garden yard. Come on, man, the man them a water down the genre. The man them water down the genre with nonsense. Other genre like even soca on them. All to take it free. But no one that. No, soca are the serious numbers. In the Ironman. Afrobeats are the serious numbers. In the Ironman, the people them a cry out for good music, fun music, enjoyment. Dancehall get tricked by the vocal minority. People say, you see the scamming song them, they're not actually supporting the criminality, they're just talking about what's happening in Ironman. If that was the case, you know what Afrobeats would be all about? Scamming. All you would hear Burna Boy and Whiskey them talk about is scamming because, I don't know if you know this, but Nigerian scamming make Ironman scamming look like a joke. If you think Ironman have scammers, if you think Ironman is known for scammers, you want to see Nigeria internationally recognized for scamming. Have you ever realized the two most acidic genres of music have the most artists that are dead are in a jail? Dancehall and rap, the two most acidic genres that push the most foolishness, right, have the most artists that are in a jail. Right. It can't be a black thing because right, Afrobeats man them just as black and they're African and they speak a different language, come from a whole different part of the world. Dancehall, people have the same culture. Same thing will reach Young Thug and YSL them, reaching the favorite artists in the Ironman. The truth is, quote unquote fans, selectors, radio man, etc. I lie to the artists then. They're feeding into the illusion. And then them drop them for the next best thing. Them lie to them, don't listen to them, bro. A bad man, just like with the story with the woman and the 1 foot man I tell you about before. But no man, I threw them things that go on, go listen to them, man. Watch I stop your food, watch I stop you. Them sit here rise. Them no rate you, them no love you. But that's the love. And the man that say, yo, brother, you're cutting a pathway. You're going to self-destruct. That was the love. And because I love the genre, why me keep pointing out to the genre, it's in a rut. It's basically fake hip-hop at this point. Fake Uncle Sam nonsense. The American hood culture seep into Jamaican pop pills and foolishness that when you drop certain song, you get the same forward now like when it dropped 20 years ago. You can't buy that, you can't pay for that. People know good music when they can't force it on them. Ask the selector them who they get buyout, because enough of them get buyout. But when you catch them one away, ask them who the world asks for. Ask them which song actually the world are listening to. When time they go certain places, ask them what them have to play. And they may tell us and the song them are playing in the arm. And the song them where you think hot, the world that draw to. And then first time I make certain videos talking about dancehall, jump up. The bad man here fight against artists, man even say me bad mind man for quote unquote girl. Anybody ever tell you say, me bad mind artist, with a hot girl, tell them say, for show you, the girl them they usually talk to before them boss. Right. Any artist who thinks say me, make video about dancehall artists called bad mind, you know, quote unquote girl, bad mind man for girl. Show me the baby mother where they have. Show me your baby mother before your boss. Show me the girl them you used to talk to before your boss, and then me tell you bad mind if you get. Come on bro, you have a name, you have clout, of course you'll get girls. You're delusional. The reason why you think someone a bad mind you, to quote unquote hot girl is because it's new to you. You're not used to attractive woman. After your boss you start get woman. Right. Or at least woman look like how they look. But you decide you know. If a car and jewelry and money and everything, the only thing say bad mind for. Trust me bro. One day you're not gonna realize it. Even though that's great, right? Nothing wrong with that. Right? I love fast car, love fast bike and everything. Right? But you're gonna realize one day, say, end of the day, all you have is family. When you look on your deathbed, all I gotta have is family. So that is what I put above everything. So if I go some bad mind for something, some bad mind for family. Because that is what I value the most. Right? But bad mind man for girl and bad mind man for chain and them foolishness there. No. We talk about the genre because dancehall is very powerful, and I wish dancehall artists will accept this and accept their social responsibility. Right? And accept the role them can play in making society a better place. But we show you how things desperate. People go as far as to say my bad mind, the snake. Sharp snake. Bad mind snake for reading. Somebody can bad mind snake for reading. If me go bad mind somebody for reading, them want bad mind Tony Kelly and Dave Kelly and them man. Come on, Mr. Artist, come on, Mr. Producer, make dancehall great again. People them a turn to Afrobeats, people them a turn to soca, all calypso. You soon start see man a beat drums like Trinidad, steel pan man soon. When I get tricked by the vocal minority. Just a heads up. This month, from what I understand, a Klansman verdict is going to come out. I don't know when exactly. Because of that, I have to bring a whole lot more editing because I'm telling you, they have all kind of videos dropping after the trial. On the people them who dip on trial right now. So I say a day come up with me really think say, I have the real compelling video to make, but I spend the day I edit the Klansman video them. So normally my SMH drop a video 6 out of the 7 days a week. That might be 5 out of 7. Right? So I'm saying, there's some of the PIA and the Patreon squad know what go on. Not now to me. Alright. We'll just go and edit. Because whole heap of video I go jam. Videos that you've never seen before. Different level of content we carry to. When I first start the channel, first start the movement, right, I will shake things up. No, you gotta shake it up even further. Anyway, Patreon squad, you open the cell. PIA, you don't know, no life. Culture squad, stay circling. Bless.